Time for some nostalgia. Introducing Bybit Coinsweeper, the fun blockchain-themed twist on the classic Minesweeper game, now available on Telegram. Before that, this is my another YouTube channel and I'm your friend CryptoHook has brought a free giveaway for you in which you do not have to do anything to participate. You have to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. And in the comment you have to tell, why do you want dollars? As soon as 300 likes are completed on this video, I will give you at least $30 to a random person here. So, let's dive into the video. Dive into the world of crypto earning where every click could uncover gains. This is your chance to strategize, sweep through the FUD, and claim prizes. Bybit Coinsweeper is a new Telegram game created by Bybit. The concept is simple. Imagine a grid full of hidden tiles. Your job is to click and uncover these tiles while avoiding the ones with hidden mines. You earn points for every safe tile you reveal, bringing you closer to rewards. But if you hit a tile with a mine, the game ends and you'll have to start over. But don't worry, there's no real money at risk here, just the chance to earn more crypto. When will Bybit Coinsweeper be launched? Bybit Coinsweeper officially launched on September 23rd. Analysts say the game is part of Bybit's effort to introduce fun, user-friendly tools to compete with other exchanges such as Moonbix. According to Trade Union, Bybit Coinsweeper does not require an upfront investment for users to earn crypto. You play the game, reveal tiles, and rack up points that may later be converted into cryptocurrency. The game is based directly on Telegram, which allows users to access and play without downloading additional apps or software. The case here is that the game developers have not made the reward allocation process known to users who play the game. How to get Bybit Coinsweeper Airdrop? The Bybit Coinsweeper Airdrop is a chance to get some free crypto, and the participation process is simple. According to Monetalk, you must meet a few conditions to qualify. First things first, join the official Bybit Coinsweeper Telegram channel. This is where all the latest updates and announcements are made to stay connected. You will also find the game link in the channel, which will take you straight to the gameplay interface. Once you're in the game, connect your Bybit Exchange account to the Coinsweeper bot for a smooth experience. This is important because your rewards will be sent directly to your Bybit account. After you've connected your account, you can start playing to qualify for the airdrop. The main condition for receiving the airdrop is accumulating points by playing the game. The more points you gather, the higher your chances of earning a portion of the airdrop. It's not enough to play once and expect rewards, you'll need to be consistent and aim to score high. How to earn points in Bybit Telegram mini app. Maximizing your earnings in Bybit Coinsweeper is all about strategy and consistency and not a matter of luck. Thus, there are specific things you can do to increase your chances of earning more rewards. One of the easiest ways to earn is by revealing safe tiles in the game. Each time you uncover a safe tile, you'll get points. The more tiles you reveal without hitting a mine, the more points you accumulate. And the more points you have, the higher your potential earnings. Bybit Coinsweeper also has a referral program where you can earn extra rewards by getting your friends to join. Every friend you refer who signs up and starts playing will add to your bonus. The best part? Your friends will also benefit as they'll receive bonuses for joining under your referral. Additionally, various in-game tasks can help you earn more. These tasks include completing a certain number of games to logging in daily. Completing these tasks helps you rack up points and keeps the game exciting and engaging. How to withdraw from Bybit Telegram mini app. Once you've earned rewards in Bybit Coinsweeper, you'll probably want to know how to withdraw them. Since the game is relatively new, the withdrawal process from the Bybit Telegram mini app is still unclear. In general, withdrawals from Telegram mini apps like this usually involve linking your cryptocurrency wallet and following the withdrawal procedure laid out by the app developers. When a withdrawal option becomes available, you'll need to connect your wallet to the Bybit Coinsweeper bot. This ensures that your rewards can be safely transferred to your crypto wallet. Suppose the withdrawal system is anything like other Telegram mini apps. In that case, you'll likely need a wallet compatible with the project's tokens, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. The only issue is the difficulty of playing the game and the fact that the crypto exchange hasn't formally announced any affiliation with the game. Hopefully, this will be done in the coming weeks or days. I hope you guys liked the information. If you liked anything, Stay tuned to the Crypto Hook channel for more updates and tasks related to the token launch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the Crypto Hook channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Bybit Coinsweeper airdrop. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.